Hello everyone, I'm really excited on this video because finally my E36 325, as you can see, it's on the ground, right? It's on the ground. Not everything is assembled. Look at how thick the dust is. The thickness of the dust tells you how long this project has been and how much work has been done, perhaps, right? Interior, we got some driver's seat in there already, and it's a bucket seat. Something different. Okay, it's a Sparko Corsa bucket seat. Dashboard still not in yet because I have to check that everything, especially the AC blower, is not leaking water before I put back the dashboard. In case if it leaks, it's easier for me to disassemble and to rebuild. This is the freshly built engine. Okay, it's a 3.0 stroker. Some details you will be able to see from my previous videos. It's a M54 3.0 rotating assembly, fully balanced. Whatever that I can do has been done. So for this car, it still looks pretty standard, right? But while we remove everything, the whole car has been disassembled and then reassembled. In that process, any wear and tear items that I can see, certain gearbox seals, whatever seals or whatever gasket rings or bush, I would have replaced them. So it's supposed to feel like a fresh new car. Alright, I'm very excited because finally the car is ready to step out of the workshop. The car is still not to say complete yet, but it's going to be the first start and drive around. It's currently open headers. Incomplete interior. It's going to be loud, uncomfortable. Certain things wouldn't work. For example, I wouldn't be able to turn on the lights. But whatever, this is going to be at least a huge milestone from where we started last year. Alright, the car, which is fully stripped down and rebuilt from the chassis, finally is out. When all is good and tested and engine running completed, then we will give it a fresh coat of paint, a makeover on the cosmetic aspect of the car. And this is on my drift wheels, the M Sport wheels. They are awesome as spare wheels, man. Hopefully nothing, no leak, Today is the day we are driving out this car to get some fuel and wash the car. And this is open headers. Oh man. feeling the torque. Guys, that's partial throttle and it's really responsive. Okay, we've got fuel. Let's send it for a car wash.